3, 2, 1.
Good day, this is Shaggy Locks, Master Loctician, 407-967-8596. Pick up the phone and dial us now. We are standing by the lines. We are now offering interlocking classes, crochet classes, lock classes to stylists, mainly to stylists. Shaggy Locks. Pick up the phone, 407-967-8596. Also, if you'd like to get your locks maintained and you're in Orlando, or we'll be visiting the Central Florida region, pick up your phone and dial 407-967-8596 and make your appointment. Also, you can follow us on YouTube at www.youtube.com/ShaggyLocks7. Also, you can send us a friend request on Facebook, Shaggy Locks, and follow us on Instagram at Shaggy Locks. 407-967-8596. So pick up the phone right now and book your next appointment, because the booking availabilities is very short. So book early so you can be seen early. We don't want to get you way a couple of weeks out. So call now and book now so you can get the day that you need. Shaggy Locks, Orlando, Master Loctician. Once again, we are teaching interlocking classes, crochet. We're helping locticians and stylists to sharpen up their skills. If you see something in the videos that you'd like to learn, call us and find out how and when are we doing the classes. 407-967-8596. If you're in the Orlando area, if you're in Central Florida, if you're in Florida, if you're in the South, you're looking for a good loctician, just drive on down to us and see us. 407-967-8596. We do lock maintenance, lock budding, lock repair, lock takedown, temporary lock extensions, permanent lock extensions, and starter locks. And so pick up the phone right now, 407-967-8596. Listen, time is short and our schedule is really booked, so you must pick up the phone right now. 407-967-8596. We'd love to see your lock endeavors come true. We are here for you. Shaggy Locks, Master Loctician, 407-967-8596. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless.